5 tips for buying a new HVAC unit. Choosing a new HVAC unit in Manvel, Texas is a significant investment that can greatly impact your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Here are 5 essential tips for buying a new HVAC unit. Proper sizing. Ensure the HVAC unit is appropriately sized for your home. Energy efficiency. Look for units with high SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, ratings for optimal energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Advanced features. Consider units with advanced features like programmable thermostats for enhanced comfort control. Brand reputation. Research and choose reputable HVAC brands known for their reliability and durability. Professional installation. Invest in professional installation to ensure the unit operates at peak efficiency and complies with manufacturer specifications. For personalized advice and expert installation, contact Custom Air Systems. Call us at 281-466-4297 to schedule a consultation and take the first step toward a more comfortable home.